Mary, the soup is gone. The guests ordered it and we don't have more.
What? How?
I used the wrong pot. I made half the recipe.
Okay, don't panic. We have chicken stock and vegetables.
But the guests are waiting. It's table 5, a big order.
I know. Get the pot. I start the base now.
What can I do?
Cut the carrots. Fast. Small pieces.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Keep going.
The chef is coming. He will see this.
Stay calm. We fix it before he arrives.
How long does it take?
10 minutes, maybe less.
10 minutes. The table is waiting.
John, focus. Stir this. Don't stop.
Okay, it smells good already.
See? We are almost there. Add the salt, just a little.
Done. It looks right.
Good. Pour it now. I take it to the table.
Mary, thank you.
Next time, check the recipe first.
I will, I promise.